Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from capital.com. Now this is when you launch the app, you are in the markets tab. What you want to do is come here, click on more at the bottom right, click on these three dots, and then you'll be on this section. What I need you to do now is click on payments under personal, okay? And you'll be redirected here. You'll be able to see your available balance, okay, how much funds you actually have. And all you need to do is come in, click on withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Of course, you can only enter an amount up to the one that you have available. So let's say you enter 250. Go ahead and click on done. And now you'll see the bank account or card that you have already linked. If you haven't linked anything yet, you would have to click your add bank or card and enter your details. So this is okay. We're going to withdraw 250. Click on confirm. And there you go. You can see that 250 is currently pending. And depending on the bank or card, it will take one day to reach your account. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.